Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. Rotating RF reduces fine lines. Settings time 10 minutes, energy level 3. Gently apply eye serum around the eyes. Move the handle in circles under the eyes. Lift from under the eye to the temple with the handle. Lift the eyebrow with the handle. Lift from the eyebrow towards the forehead with the handle. Rotating RF facelifts, tightens and enhances skin elasticity settings. Time 10 minutes, energy level 3. Apply serum to the face, and evenly spread it across the entire face. Glide upward along the kai. Sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum and cream.